Hello friends, welcome to our new video. Let's try to solve the today's problem. The today's problem is prefix strings. Okay, so let's try to solve this. Before that, if you are watching our video for the first time or if you did not subscribe to our channel yet, then please go and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon as well so that you can get the notifications of our new videos. Okay, so let's see the problem statement. Okay, here you can see that we have given a problem statement. The problem statement is you are given two strings S and T consisting of lowercase English letters. Determine if S is a prefix of T. Okay, so we have given the two string in the input. Okay, uh, and here we have given some sample input and output for this problem. Okay, so in this problem, what we have to do, we have given the two strings, which is string S and string T. Okay, and in this problem, we have to check that this string S is a prefix of this second string T or not. Okay, if this string S is a prefix of this string T, then simply we have to print yes. Okay, else we have to print no. Okay, so uh, let's try to understand how we can solve this problem. Okay, so uh, so to solve this problem, what we have to do, first we have to check that if this string yes is greater than the second t or not. If the string yes is greater than the length of this string yes, okay, the length of the string yes is greater than length of the second string t, okay, then by default this is in this case the string s is not prefix of this string t. Okay, so to find the prefix string s, the string s length of the string s must be less than or equals to string t. Okay, then only we can call the string s as a prefix of string t. Okay, so uh, okay, so here you can see that in this sample input, what we can do first, we have to check that the length of this string is greater than or less than string t. This is string yes, okay, and this is string t. Okay, so the length of the first string is 3, okay, and the length of the second string is 6. Okay, so the string yes is less than string t. Okay, so in this case we can uh, consider this as a prefix of string t only if only the first string yes, okay, characters of this first string yes match with the first yes characters of this second string t, then only we will call that string yes as a prefix of string t. Okay, so यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, ये जो स्ट्रिंग यस है, जो फर्स्ट स्ट्रिंग है उसके कैरेक्टर्स चेक करेंगे, जो सेकंड स्ट्रिंग है टी उसके फर्स्ट यस कैरेक्टर्स, मतलब फर्स्ट स्ट्रिंग में जितने कैरेक्टर्स है वो उतने ही सेम कैरेक्टर्स सेकंड स्ट्रिंग के फर्स्ट उतने ही सेम कैरेक्टर यदि मैच होते हैं तो हम सिंपली कह सकते हैं कि ये जो फर्स्ट स्ट्रिंग है वो प्रीफिक्स है सेकंड स्ट्रिंग की. Okay, so in this sample input we can see that these three characters match with the first three characters of this second string. That means this string is a prefix of this string yes. Okay, so output for this should be yes. Okay, and in this example we can see okay, so in this second sample input, we have to check that these three characters of the first string characters can match with the first yes characters. That means these three, let's suppose in this input there is three characters, so we have to check that the first three characters of this string t will match or not. Okay, so in this case it is not matching. Here is ewt and here is an ew, so the output for this should be no. Okay, so uh, let's see for the third sample input. Okay, so in the third sample input as well, we can uh, in the length of the string yes is 4. Okay, and the length of the second string is 2. Okay, so string yes is greater than string t, so this is not a prefix of second string, so the output for this should be no. Okay, so this is the uh, problem statement which we have given. Okay, so now let's try to understand how we can write the code for this problem. Okay, so first what we can do, we have to check, we have to take the two strings, that is, let's suppose str1 and str2. Okay, and after that what we can do, uh, we'll convert this string into the sequence of characters by using toChar array method. Okay, convert into sequence of characters. Okay, after that what we can do, uh, we have to check first, we have to check that if the string 1, if it is greater than string 2, then simply we have to print no. Okay, okay, now what we can do, now we have to check the characters of the string, first string with second string. Okay, for that what we can do, here we write one for loop I equals to 0. Okay, and we'll run this loop till second string, length of the second string. Okay, then I plus plus. Okay, and inside this for loop what we can do, we will check that if the first string characters is not equals to the second string characters. If this is the case, then simply we have to print no. Okay, if the characters of the first string is not equals to the second string, then we have to print no. Okay, and at the end simply we will print yes. Okay, and here we have to return our answer. Here as well we have to return. Okay, so like this we can solve this problem. Okay, now let's try to write the code for this problem. Okay, so first what I can do, I will write the scanner class c equals to new scanner, then system. Okay, now what we can do, we have to take the two character s. Okay, equals to sc dot next dot to char array. Okay, we are going to convert the string into the sequence of characters. Okay, next to char array. Okay, now what we can do, we have to check that if s dot length is greater than t dot length. If this is the case, then simply we have to print no system dot out dot println and we print no and we return the answer. Okay, now we write one for loop integer I equals to 0 and I should be s dot length I plus plus. Okay, and inside this for loop we are going to check that if the characters of s is not equals to characters of t. Okay, if this is the case, then again we have to print no and do return. Okay, okay, and simply we are going to print yes system dot out println yes. Okay, so this is the code for this problem. Now let's try to run this. So simply I'll copy this input. Let's paste it in the input. Click on run. For this output should be yes. Let's see. Okay, you can see that output is yes. Let's see for the second sample input. Copy this. Let's paste it. Click on run. Okay, you can see that output is no. Let's see for this sample input. So I'll copy this. Paste it. Click on run. For this output should be no. Okay, you can see that output is no. Okay, now all the sample inputs are showing correct output. Now let's try to submit the code. So click on submit. Okay, you can see that all the test cases has been passed. Okay, so this is the code for this problem. That's it in this video. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. ओके, सो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.